What is up, guys? This is Zach with Dreamedia. I'm unboxing a couple more items today. Super commonly used and probably a couple of my favorite devices to use for custom installation and easy control of your audio system. So, first one is the Sonos Connect. What this does is plug into your surround sound receiver, and it just allows you to, well, it doesn't even have to be a surround sound receiver. It can plug into any amplifier. Basically, it has Sonos software in it, giving you the ability to pipe your music to a particular zone or amplifier, or even to a group of rooms. So you could like tie it into one single 2-channel amp and run it off a speaker selector to run a whole house if you wanted. Or I even tie it into like my landscape audio projects where I'll have like a big 1000-watt crown amp, and I will tie this in as an input so that they can pipe their music right to the crown amp, which then goes out to the 70-volt landscape speakers. Now, the Sonos Connect comes with a 3.5 to RCA adapter cable, power cord, a RCA to RCA, and then a Ethernet to hardwire it. The Sonos Connect amp, on the other hand, is designed for one single room. You can basically just plug in a pair of in-ceiling speakers, or really any speakers that are passive, into this, and it will power them at 55 watts per channel. And it comes with a power cord, and it comes with a Ethernet cable to hardwire it. Now, there's also a Sonos Boost that you can plug to hardwire into the router to make it a little bit more steady or reliable connection. It's not 100% required, and I've set up plenty of these without it, but it is one thing that you may want to consider if your Wi-Fi system isn't great. Basically, powered, non-powered, both have the Sonos software in it, and give you the ability to independently stream your music to particular zones throughout your home. This is an overview of the Sonos Connect, as well as the Connect amp. If you guys would like to purchase, give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.